Welcome back, first graders. I hope you're having a great day. Are you ready to learn a new skill? Let's take a look at our learning target. I can play and pause videos independently. So, by the end of this lesson, you want to be able to say, I can play and pause videos independently. There's that million-dollar word. Independently means all by myself. You say it, all by myself. So let's take our mouse, boys and girls, and click to the next slide. Click. All right, I see that I have a video to watch. In order to play this video, what should I do? Maybe you know, we are going to click on the play button. Click, and then our video is playing.
Miss Roslyn!
Oh no, someone needs me. In order to pause the video so I don't miss anything, I'm just going to click on the picture. Click. The video paused. And then, when I come back to play the video again, I'm just going to click on the picture. Click. And my video starts to play again. So if you need to take a break during a video, pause the video, click, and then come back later. All right. Have a great day, boys and girls. See you next time.